We're working with the EWTC SecureWell team to actually start a new phase in well control. It's around containable well control. It works very well for our rig operators and crew chiefs. It helps us understand what we do every day, not what a drilling group does every day. It's much different than a theoretical well control. It's containable and controlled programs. It works very, very well. We've had a lot of great success. We've had some really good input from lots of team members, and I'm anxious to get the guys in and going on it and get the accreditations done.
We've spent decades going through training that prepared our people for situations that they just flat were not going to be in. So through the efforts of all of the major well servicing companies and the time and efforts of a lot of people, we've put together a product that we believe not only will protect our people, the environment, and the public, but it gives our people the skills they need to do their jobs efficiently, effectively, and most importantly, safely.
It's helped separate us from the drilling industry that we've been thrown in together with for multiple years, decades, and make it a safer place for our guys and specific to cased hole well servicing, as we don't always work with a hole loaded full of mud. We have lots of different scenarios in well servicing. So we really appreciate the EWTC sponsoring and helping us with this project.
The Energy Workforce Technology Council has put a tremendous amount of energy into bringing together well service companies from across the country to build a necessary course for well control that keeps our employees safe and is uniquely different than anything the market's seen in the past. Well, I'm very appreciative of all that the Energy Workforce Technology Council has done, and the energy that the companies have put into developing something that will create a safer workplace for our employees.